Good afternoon to all that have joined today's webinar. My name is Raghav and I am a product expert in Favio. Today we would be going over whether the IT services that you're using is ready for 2026 or not. To begin with the presentation, I would like to share a brief about Favio. So we started 10 years back, and we have a host of products like Helpdesk services and cloud-based services as well. Regarding that, we have evolved from open source tool to now we are offering a host of products which can be installed on your servers, as well as you can use the cloud version of our product as well. So we have around more than 400 clients are using the Favio right now, and we have clients across all over the globe based in various different sectors. For example, we have people using Favio in HR, we have people using Favio in industries, schools, colleges, automotive companies, etc. So what do we offer to our clients, plus how they benefit from what all features that we provide them, and what should be there in the help desk going forward. We would be looking at all of this today. So beginning with the presentation now. So the agenda for today's meeting is how the services are actually changing, what did they offer in the past, and how the offerings have changed, and what are the key trends that are shaping the year 2026. We will also discuss the readiness pillars, what all things that are uh, you can say make you ready for the upcoming years, and so on. The common gaps will be discussed, what should be looked at, and what some people are missing today. And then we would be going over the practical roadmap over how to implement those practices and make sure that your help desk or the service desk is being beneficial to you as a product, and helping you extend your services to the clients as well. So evolution of the service desk from past to now. So earlier the ticket handling was reactive instead of being proactive. So basically we waited for the user or the client to raise a ticket with us, and then we used to look into the source of the problem. And the second thing was the SLA focused operations. So earlier we were more focused on just finishing or resolving the ticket on time, and we are not looking past the tickets and past the user experiences that we created or the product created. So now and going forward, all the helpdesk has to be experience focused, predictive with automated support, so that the SLA focus should turn into the outcome focused. How do we make our clients happy? How do we predict the issues that they would be having? So basically identifying the issues before they occur in the client end, and making our efforts to resolve them on priority is how the 2026 and the further years will bring into the picture. So what has changed since 2020? I know it's like 5 years ago, but from then till now, we have hybrid and remote workforce. So after the COVID was there, and many employees they switched to working on the hybrid mode, and that also needs for the tool that they are using to be able to be efficient for people, either they are in office or they are working from home. So that, and then we have the SaaS expansion. So SaaS is nothing but software as a service, and many of the tools that we have in the market today are moving towards the self-hosted version to the cloud version. They are providing the product which are just turnkey products. You just have to purchase the license and start using them immediately. The third thing that has happened, as security threats are increasing, they have been increasing from the past, but now since most of the platforms and people are coming online, that make the people who want to do the security attacks more prevalent, and thus we need to make sure that the software that we are using has inbuilt security handling uh, features as well. This point is users expect consumer grade experience. So this has been a major shift in the past few years. The earlier people were used to get business kind of replies, but now everything has got changed and they expect a consumer grade experience, meaning they want an empathetic response, not a mechanical response from the people who are resolving the issues. And the last point and the most important one is that the AI is now mainstream. We would remember that with the ChatGPT launched in 2022, everybody with the SaaS expansion, there has been an AI expansion as well. There are a lot of tools that can be integrated into your Helpdesk, and they can provide more better and more efficient solutions or features to the people who are raising the tickets and people who are resolving the tickets as well. So what do we mean by being ready for 2026 and beyond is proactive, not reactive. So you should be able to look at the trends and preemptively come up with issues that your customer might face and not wait for the issues to be reported by the clients and then working on them. The second thing is automated and not manual. So at least some level of automation in the help desk is necessary so that the headcount can be increased and people are not just utilizing their time responding to the basic queries that are asked by the customers. The third point is experience driven, not ticket driven. So this basically means that the goal of the help desk and the people using it should be to effectively reduce the time and the time taken to resolve a issue and make the experience of the client good, uh, and just not focus on solving the tickets and keeping the ticket counts and well. So the fourth point is secure by design. Since a lot of malicious softwares and people are there who usually crack open the softwares to get the user data and uh, attachment data, etc. So we need the software that is secure by design so that the customer information and all their personal information is not leaked or is not used in a wrong way by anyone. Then we have the data driven decision making. So all the tickets that are coming in, all the issues that we are resolving, uh, do we have a system where all the data can be fed into and then it can be used to take smarter decision by the management? That is also a big point that is makes the help desk ready for 2026. Then we'll look at the key trends. What are the current trends that are there in the market today? So the trend number one is AI driven service desk. So with the advance of the AI as a whole included, or it brought into picture the chatbots and virtual agents. So basically resolving at least a certain percentage of the ticket via the AI chatbots and virtual agents. So these features are not features of the future. These are present today, and the services or the help decks that you are using should have integration with the AI chatbots as well. Automated ticket categorization and routing. So not waiting for any particular person to look at the ticket and assign it to a specific person. There should be an automation in ticket categorization, predictive issue resolution. So keeping a log of all the issues that are being deflected by the users or by your clients, and then making a pattern out of it and identifying a root cause of what the issue is stemming from, and then going on and resolving that issue instead of just keeping the tickets to come in and then resolve on them. Self-healing systems, since now all the companies are global, the customer base is spread throughout the world, and very less concept of working in shifts today. So today the helpdesk needs to be 24/7, and for a software to be able to 24/7 work, it should have self-healing systems built in into it, so that any issue, minor technical or configuration issues comes, the system is able to resolve that automatically without the intervention of any human in it. So the question here for you, for everybody, is that are humans still resolving level one tickets in your organization? So if the basic or level one tickets are still being resolved by humans, that means a lot of their time is getting wasted there that could have been efficiently been done by AI chatbots or a virtual agent. The key trend second is from self-service to automation. So today AI can integrate into the knowledge base, and it can help the clients, help the users to do basic steps, basic things which need earlier needed to be guided by any human. The AI can reset the passwords, grant access of certain softwares to the users, and it basically helps you to maintain a zero touch resolution. Zero touch resolution means without humans touching any portion of that request, it is automatically resolved by the AI. So the question here is again, are you resolving basic issues without human involvement? Yes or no. That will help you figure out whether the help desk that you're using is ready for 2026 or not. The trend three is experience over SLA, like we hinted in the beginning. The SLA are no longer the metric for the help desks or services softwares. The SLA or the user satisfaction has moved to user experience. The overall experience of the client who is getting in touch with you needs to be fantastic. No less than fantastic is acceptable nowadays. And the system should be able to track the sentiment of the conversations as well. As soon as the conversation comes in, the system should be able to detect whether the sentiment of the person who is responding is uh, good or not, or is it urgent priority ticket, or is it a neutral ticket, so on and so forth. Key trend four is security and compliance integration. So like we discussed before, the customer data, all the client data that is logged into the software is of paramount importance to the clients as well as the companies that are holding them. So it's, you can say that this help desk that you're using is kind of a security gatekeeper for all the personal data of clients that is there. Then we have the identity and access management. The system should have the ability to grant specific need-based and role-based access to certain people, and not allow general bucket of access to each particular person. Compliance automation. So the help desk should be ISO and SOC or GDPR compliant, be able to use throughout the globe. So the question for you here is, are the security incidents treated as priority business risk in your organization or not? So trend five is data analytics. So the reports which gets generated in the software are kind of an insights for the management people. They can predict the incidents before they occur. Plus, the reports can be used for staffing optimization, root cause elimination, and cost reduction of this overall as well. So now we'll discuss the pillars of a 2026 ready service Helpdesk Enterprise. It is valid for this year and in the future as well. So the pillar where one is technology readiness. Is the software that you're using cloud based? Is it AI enabled or not? Is it integrated with HR and monitoring tools? Can it scale without headcount increase? So all the things, the AI is essential. The cloud-based option should be there, and to be able to scale it without the headcount increase, you need to have the bots and the AI agents in your software as well. So, what are now the people skills that are required for the efficient delivery of your service? That is the people who can think analytically and not just. So, the job is now not just to read through a couple of paragraphs and formulate your response based on that. The need now is for analytical thinking to think on their own and plus supervise the AI as well. So how to configure the agents in the system, how to configure the bot, so to think in the perspective of user and uh, implement the bots to the software, that needs to be done by the people that are managing the software as well. Then you have the security awareness. So if any issue is being reported, whether it is a security weakness or not, that needs to be identified by the people as well. Strong communication and a strong business understanding are two another pillars of the 2026 readiness as well. So the pillar three is process and automotive automation. So the thing is remove the repetitive manual steps and automate onboarding, offboarding, access requests, and common incidents. Earlier we discussed about zero touch. So this means completely automating these onboarding and access requests, common incident tasks, so that we can focus on the root cause elimination. The pillar four is security and governance, role-based access, least privilege access should be there, highest privilege should be there. There should be access in between. Basically, the software should be able to give you granular control of each permission so that the roles can be created based on them. Audit ready processes, integration with SOC and security teams, and clear escalation path for incidents, that is important with the AI in picture. So the pillar five is experience and metrics. Earlier we used to revolve around ticket volume and resolution time. So instead, the better would be to track user satisfaction rating, first contact resolution, meaning the issue was resolved on the first conversation itself. Reopen rates, how many times the ticket are reopening, and experience scores, what are the experience of the clients when the issues have been resolved by them. Common gaps seen today, so over dependence on manual work. As discussed earlier, there is no AI integration in the softwares, that leads to overwork on the part of the agents as well as increasing their manual work as well. Outdated ITSM tools with no security protocols or no security gatekeeping, that are also prevalent today. No AI adoption strategy. So basically, if your software doesn't have AI, it is well behind the pack, and it is essentially creating blocks for you to scale faster. Poor knowledge management. So all the information that you have about the business, that can be fed into an AI, and then it can be used by the AI agent to resolve the basic queries and basic issues of the clients. If your knowledge management is just creating documents in and letting people follow them, that would be called as a poor knowledge management by today's standards. Measuring the wrong metrics like we discussed just now. So moving beyond ticket volume, etc., and using and going towards user satisfaction trends as well. So are you ready? So basically, this is a checklist that we have prepared. So you can answer along with this slide. So does AI handle your minimum 30% tickets or not? self-service adoption increasing means that people are the clients are able to resolve the issues without a human touch or not. Security integrated into workflows. Are the software that you're using are ISO SOC GDPR compliant or not? Experience metrics tracked rather than the old matrix, and continuous improvement culture to be able to give a best experience to the client to be able to resolve their issues with great experience as well. So if you answered three or more for no, your help desk is unfortunately not 2026 ready and you need to do something about it. What is the business impact of being ready? So if the software is ready, then it lowers your support cost. Uh, Obviously, the issue resolution is faster, the productivity of the employees is higher, the security risk is low, and the business continuity is improved. So final takeaways from the today's webinar would be that 2026 readiness is not optional. Services must evolve or become bottlenecks. So it becomes bottleneck for the business itself, not letting it grow, not letting it scale fast. So even if you start small with the right set of tools, with the right set of software, you can scale fast. You can focus on experience, automation, and intelligence, and all these things are present in the software that you are using. So finally, coming full circle to, is your IT services ready for 2026 with Favio Helpdesk? Yes, it is. So these are a few features of the Favio Helpdesk. The whole system is automated. There is very less manual work and faster resolution. It is AI ready. We have our AI agents, we have AI bots in place which automatically route and do the sentiment analysis of the tickets. The Favio software is experience driven. It is beyond SLAs. It keeps you ahead by giving you trends and analysis of different data that can be used to make more better decisions. It is secure and compliant. It is built for modern IT governance. Favio is GDPR compliant. Favio is HIPAA compliant and ISO compliant. Scalable and cost effective. Whether you are a small company choosing our cloud-based product, or you are a big enterprise uh, choosing to host the software on your own, the Favio is the most cost effective and the most advanced software that you can use today. So it delivers all the five pillars that we discussed before. It is modern ITSM with automation. There is powerful self-service and knowledge base, meaning our knowledge base is fed into the AI to so that AI can handle and resolve the tickets on its own. Actionable analytics and reporting. We have advanced reporting and a number of reports that are helpful for the senior management. Security first workflows, uh, and we have flexible deployment and pricing. Uh, for you. So basically, if your service desk needs to survive in this today's market and beyond and lead, then Favio Helpdesk is not an upgrade, it's the foundation of business. You can start now, be ready, and choose Favio Helpdesk. So this brings us to the end of the webinar. If anybody has any questions for us, you can type them in the chat and we would be happy to answer. For more information, you can go to our website, that is faviohelpdesk.com, to get to know about all the things that we discussed today in this presentation. And if you want to take a trial of the software, that is also available there as well. Thank you. I'll be waiting for the questions. Yeah, so I have a few questions. So the first question is by Violet. We have been getting the pop-up of upgrade on the system lately. Is it the same upgrade? Yes. So we do an upgrade of Favio 1.5 months. So with the latest update, there has been AI integration is in the product as well. So you can update your Favio to get to know about the Favio AI bots and AI agents and how you can use them to basically help automating your ticket responses as well. So the second question is by Ezekiel. Is your solution a robust one size fit all type of solution? So currently being used by many corporations, big and small, all over the world. So to give you an example, small teams with no technical knowledge, they go with our cloud-based version. So they use the cloud software, the SaaS one. And the organizations that have a technical team, they are large corporations. They install the software on the server. They have their own servers and they use that. So the companies who come in the middle, we also give them an option where they can take the server from us, and we install the software for them, and we do the maintenance of all the server related things with them. So everybody from small to large to medium, we have a solution for you as well. So the next question is by Violet again. Also, can the system be tailored to specific organization need? Example, in our organization, we would like to have a few adjustments. Yes. So this is one of the USP of the Favio, is that if you have any additional requirements other than the standard software that you get out of the box, you can reach out to us. We can develop that feature for you on a customization basis as well. Uh, so this answers your question. This question is again by Violet. On the upgrade, have you guys integrated a guide on the new adjustments on the new system? And how do we access the guide if it's there? Sure. So what you can do is you can go on to the knowledge base of our software. There you enter the agents, AI agents, AI bots, and you would get all the information. The URL is Favio help support.faviohelpdesk.com/knowledge base. I would repeat, the URL is support.faviohelpdesk.com/slash knowledge base. So as a kill, we do not have currently support in Nigeria. I would get my sales team to reach out to you if we have any. I'll need to check with them. I'll tell them to contact you. So thank you for joining for the today's webinar. If you have any questions, you can send an email to support@faviohelpdesk.com. And also you can, if you want to try the software, you can log into faviohelpdesk.com to get about more details and try the software for yourself. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day.